So 2 weeks back, I got an engine light while driving and the tripping sound coming from the engine. And after some research, I found that that's coming because of the vacuum leak. And to address this issue, I changed multiple parts, but still the sound is not going away. I'm going to show you which parts I have changed so far and what I'm going to change next. So far I changed the valve cover, I changed the belt, and I also changed the crankshaft seal. I don't know why the American car parts price in Canada is so expensive. So this is the price of intake manifold. I checked with the dealership here in Canada. It's $431.87 plus taxes. Check this out. The price of Chevy Cruze intake manifold. This is a part number. It's $225.74. So I ordered this one from Amazon and I'm just waiting for it. So I ordered intake manifold from Amazon. I already opened the box. I'll show you how it looks like. So this is brand new intake manifold from GM. So if you look closer, you can see there is one orange color valve. So that is the thing that is missing from the old one and it's causing the vacuum leak. Hi, so I got my engine light. It's morning, 31st March. I got my intake manifold and I'm going to drop my car to the mechanic. So let's go. So this is the new intake manifold which I ordered from the Amazon, and it's being installed now, and I hope the vacuum leak issue would resolve now and the engine light should go away.